Can I build a fence around my AC condenser? Yes, but only if you leave enough open space for air to move freely and for a technician to service it. A fence can help hide the condenser and protect it from kids, pets, and yard damage, but it cannot crowd the unit. Your air conditioner pulls air in through the sides and pushes hot air out the top, so if the fence is too close, the machine works harder and can break down sooner. A good rule is to leave several feet of clear space around it, and more room above it if there is a cover or low structure nearby. The exact space can depend on the model, so the best move is to check the owner guide or the label on the unit. One thing many people do not realize is that a fence can also trap leaves, grass clippings, and snow, and that extra mess can block airflow even if the fence looks neat. If you do build one, make the panels easy to remove or open so repair work is simple. Also, think about moving the fence far enough away that water from sprinklers does not constantly hit the unit, because that can shorten its life. A common mistake is building the fence so close that it looks tidy but chokes the airflow, and the fix is to measure carefully before you install anything. Another problem is using solid panels that trap heat, and a better choice is a design with open slats or wide gaps. People also forget access, so if a technician cannot reach the condenser easily, repairs take longer and cost more, and the simple tip is to leave a clear path to every side. It is also smart to check local building rules and property lines before you start, because some areas limit fence height or placement near equipment. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.